Hey YouTube. Okay, I am going to show you how to create a free Gmail signature, a very cool one, in less than 5 minutes. We're going to use Signature Hound again. In a previous video, I had I showed you how to create a free email signature using My Lead Gen Secret, and that's a platform where you can send out thousands of emails every 24 hours to people where you're promoting a product or service. In this case, I'm going to show you how to create that same very cool email signature for Gmail. So go to signaturehound.com, create a free account, and I'm going to open up my account. I said I'm going to do this in less than 5 minutes, so the pressure is on. Okay, so create new signature. We want to put a name to this, so I'll call it Gmail Signature. Create. And we'll start here, personal info. We're going to put in a profile pic, so I'm just going to select that one. And for my name, Coach Roger. Job title, I'm going to leave it blank. Clear the department, I'll leave that blank. Email address, definitely want to put that. Holy cow, okay. Support at coachroger.info. Perfect. Okay, so for telephone number, I'm not going to put anything, so I'm just going to hit this red icon here so I can delete all that. Then I'm going to go here where it says business info, and then I'm going to company name, I'm going to change that to mine. For address, I'm going to hit clear, and obviously you can do as you wish. You can put whatever you want for your address if you want it at all. Website, again, I'm going to put it to my blog. For the social media icons, you can see right here, I'm going to delete most of them, and let's just say I want to put my YouTube one, so I'll clear that, leave that blank, but I'm going to add mine. So this is my link to my YouTube channel, so right click and paste. And then I'm going to add here Google, and that's the Google icon, as you can see, just pops up there. So I'm going to put this one again to my blog. Okay, and I'm going to delete that too. So all you have to do is go to design, scroll down, and just turn that off, and you can see it disappears. And you can do a lot of stuff with this. This is just very basic. You can add your own stuff, but there you go. That's just a generic look at my email signature. Once again, you can do more stuff. You click on install signature, you get to this screen, and this is where you click on Gmail. You want to click here where it says copy signature, and then I'm going to go to my Gmail, and I'm going to go here where this gear icon is, and then hit see all settings, scroll down, and where it says signature, we want to create new, and I'm going to use the same name that I used in Signature Hound, Gmail signature. I'm going to create that, and then I'm going to right click, left click first, and then right click, paste, and there you go. There is my Gmail signature, or my email signature on Gmail. I'm going to scroll down. It says here for new email use, I'm going to put it to that the name of the file that I gave it. The file name was Gmail signature, and this is when I hit compose, it will appear, my signature, and then when I reply to people, it will also appear on every email that I write. That signature will appear. If I don't want that to happen and I only want it to happen for the original signature, then I just choose that. But I'm going to put no signature. Actually, I'm going to keep that as well, just for the sake of doing it. So hit save changes, very important. Go to compose just to test it out, and there you go. You see the signature there, and easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helps you. I did it less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.